What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Swing Trade Shack back with another video. Today we're going to be talking about Tesla. If you're watching this video, you should know about this company and what they do. But in this video, I'm just going to be giving a quick analysis on the recent price action. I'm extremely bullish on this stock right now, and I absolutely love what we saw in today's candlestick. Tomorrow is going to be a very important day, and if it goes how I want, we're going to see higher prices from Tesla in the near future. So just make sure you stick around to the end. As always, if you enjoyed this video, smash the like button and subscribe for future videos. Now, before we start, just a quick disclaimer. I'm not a financial advisor, and this is not financial advice. This video is intended for entertainment purposes only. So starting off on the weekly time frame, in the past couple weeks, we saw price bounce between our support line at about $614 and our resistance of $700. So we saw some consolidation and prices go lower after our big move to the upside, which is natural for an up move as stocks need time to cool off. It's healthy. So after this consolidation here, we saw a break of our resistance line at $700, where price was trading below for over a month. Our price action is currently above our 10-day EMA, 20-day EMA, and our 50-day moving average. We're seeing a retest on today's candlestick of this resistance level, confirming it as support. Although this is the weekly time frame, we'd have to wait to see how that closes. But right now, looking at this chart, we're very bullish. So on our longer term time frame, we have a bullish bias. Now let's scope in onto the daily, which is where I really like Tesla. So something I like to do whenever I do technical analysis is you want to look the way price reacts to certain patterns. Some patterns may work on some stocks, some may not. And that's just the nature of how it is. So what I've noticed is that during uptrends, whenever we see hammer candlesticks after a break of resistance on the pullback, this hammer usually confirms that resistance as support. And then in the following candlestick, if we see price close above the high of that candlestick, the stock continues to move to the upside. So I've circled multiple times where we've seen this. As we saw our hammer after a break of resistance, confirm move to the upside. Here we saw another one on our double bottom retest pattern, move to the upside. So what did we see today? After a break of our resistance level at $700, we saw a hammer candlestick that not only tested our prior support level, but it closed above all of our moving averages. So we are above all our moving averages on the weekly time frame and on the daily. We saw our 10-day EMA cross above the 50-day moving average, which is a bullish sign, also sometimes called the golden cross. And we also saw our resistance tested as support. Along with that, our candlestick closed near the highs of the day. And this came on a spike in volume. Now, along with today's candlestick, we also saw a bullish reversal pattern here, which was characterized by this double bottom with a break of our neckline to confirm it. This double bottom came with a higher low and two candlestick patterns. We saw a hammer and a bullish engulfing to confirm this move over our support level. We saw the break of our neckline, and now we're seeing the retest here, which is a typical break and retest buying opportunity. And there's just so much confluence that I'm very bullish on Tesla right now, as you could hear in my voice. So right now, this chart just looks amazing for buys, but what do I want to see to confirm this move? Because we always want to wait for confirmation. I want to see a close above this hammer candlestick, above the highs of the day. So $700.25 or $725.40. And then we should just expect the stock to continue moving to the upside. So what would invalidate this trade for me? As long as we don't see a close below this hammer candlestick, I think we're still good to see this huge impulse move up. We might, if we do see a close below, we might see a bit of a steeper pullback, but I still believe we're bullish in the long term. Of course, it's Tesla. So if we wanted to make this trade at where, let's say we price open, right now it's in the post market of 725. We took this trade here. Stop loss is below the hammer lows. You're looking at like more than a 4-to-1 risk to reward depending on like, and this is just if you bought at the open, whatever the open may be. This is obviously not going to be accurate, but depending on the price that you get in, this is a very high reward to risk play. So tomorrow is going to be an important day. I want to see a close above this hammer candlestick to confirm this move to the upside. And, you know, anyone who gets in, good for you, because you are probably going to make money on this play. Now, this is just my opinion, but I really like the way this chart is looking. So I believe that this is currently a very good buy, given we get confirmation tomorrow. So that's it for me. I love Tesla's chart right now, and I believe we're ready to see our next impulse move to the upside. As always, if you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.